Hey everyone, in this video I will show how to turn off restricted mode in the YouTube app. Now restricted mode may be turned on and grayed out for different reasons. In my situation, I realized that it was on in the app, but it was off when I visited the YouTube website in the browser. This lets me know that it is not so much a big issue with parental controls within my network because I don't have any. I am not connected to a work, school, or other network that has restrictions. I also cleared the cache and I force stopped the app and restarted it, and it was not helpful. And that led me to believe that perhaps there was something with the ISP provider and everything. So I was wondering maybe there's something that is restricted on that end. So that led me to one possible source where this can be fixed on the Android. So first, close the YouTube app. On your phone, go to Settings, and then select Network and Internet. At the bottom, select Advanced, and then select Private DNS. Originally, I had it on automatic, but I needed to change it to something else. You must change it to a different DNS provider. I will display 3 options for you, and you can pick whichever you want that works best for you. First option is dns.adgar.com. This helps with blocking ads and trackers. Then there's the other one called 1.1.1.1.cloudflare-dns.com. That helps with speed and performance. And there is dns.google, which is the public DNS provider for Google. Whichever one you select and whichever one that works best for you, after you put it, just select Save. Now you can open the YouTube app, and when you open it, go to Settings, then General, and you will see that restricted mode has disappeared, as it did for me. I hope that works for you. Stay happy.